Right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location and where you are watching me from. This video is about stock trading, how you can start as a newbie, and even though you are a professional, it will be of importance to you because of some things I'll be revealing in the video. So if you are meeting me for the first time, my name's Wana Sunday Watcher, or if you are visiting my channel for the first time, and the channel remains Legit Hustle TV. So I'll be walking you through on how you can trade your stock or shares. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using AfriVenture. It is mostly for those that requested for it on my Facebook or from my Facebook group, and I promised them that I'll be making a video for them. So without much further ado, let's get started. I'll be making use of AfriVenture. You can see AfriVenture here from the video on my let me see AfriVenture. You can see it here. AfriVenture 2.0 is what you are going to download from your Play Store. Now once that is done, you click on it. As a newbie, or for those, I know some of us already have it and are trading with it. Like myself, I use Trove, I use AfriVenture, and I also use Bamboo. Bamboo is for foreign stocks or shares. AfriVenture is purely for Nigerians. While Trove, you can buy both foreign and Nigerian stock on Trove. So this one is for purely Nigerian stocks. It's a minor update available. Your app update is ready for enhanced performance. Okay, continue to app. Let me see. I think okay. Let me input my password to log in. My details to log in. Okay, I think we are here, guys. I've logged in. Now, once you sign up, the first thing you will do as a newbie, once you sign up, is to come to this place. You see this profile. Ensure that, I don't know if you are seeing, if you saw where I clicked. This is your profile here. Let me see. This profile you are seeing up here. You are seeing my name. You are seeing hello or watcher up here with your picture, or with a picture, your this thing icon. So that's the first place you should go. When you go there, you click on it. You see this account, this setting. You see my profile, account type. You can see here profile. You see account type. So for profile, you can click and then you edit your profile. Make sure you are using corresponding details, your location or wherever you are staying. Use the normal the adequate date of birth that is required. That is, if you are required to impute your date of birth, let it correspond with the one you have with your government issued ID card and all of those. So for the account type, you can see account type here. You are seeing account type. I'm using a POP. So let me click on it so that I will show us something there real quick and fast. It's not opening. Okay, it's not opening at the moment, but you can see POP. There are types of account type. There are the ones that you can credit maybe 20 or 30k a day, and it will exceed to buy what's it called, to buy stocks or shares. Albeit it's opened so that you see it. So we have account type like that. Some you can upgrade it. You can, if you wish to upgrade, you can request an upgrade. But after you've done that, you won't just start buying stock. There's something you need to do. Once you sign up on AfriVenture and you want to buy your shares, what the first thing you need to do is to send them an email to brokerage team at afriventure.com. Brokerage team. So once you've signed up, you send them an email using the email you use for your registration or for creating of your account. To send them an email, brokerage@afrivenstore.com, and then on the email, the body of your this thing or the title should be, I want my CSCS number. Your CSCS number is your security number, uniquely given to you. That's what you should do. Once you've signed up, go and send them email. The number will be sent to you in a space of maybe a day or so, or 2 or 3. Once that number is given to you, that's the only time you can start buying shares. Now, once the number is given to you, the next thing to do is to come to fund. You are seeing fund wallet. You can see fund wallet here. You are seeing fund wallet. That's the next thing for you to do. Now, once you come, you click on fund wallet. It says set up a new virtual account to unlock faster funding and keep your investment moving. Not now. Okay, then I'm to impute amount. Maybe example 20,000. I'll now impute the amount I want. Maybe 10,000, 5,000, and so on. Once that is done, the amount will reflect in your wallet, where you are seeing this balance up here. You can see the balance up here. That's where your money will reflect once you credit. Now, once you credit, the next thing for you to do is to start buying shares, isn't it? That's it. Then you come to more. You can come to more and click, or you come to stock. You are seeing this stock. You are seeing stock here. You come to stock and click. Either ways, you can click and get to your investment this thing, so that you can start buying. Now, once you click on it, you click on stock like this. Now you see Nigerian stocks. Now, one thing is, there's a time for opening for Nigerian stock. It opens 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Mondays to Friday. That's the time for Nigerian stock, when you can buy or trade your stock. Now you can see today is as at the time of recording this video, this Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Now you can see that the stocks are open till 2 p.m. Once it is 2 p.m. the stock market closes. So you can see the prices. You can see them. You have Access Corp and so on and so on and so on and so on. So it is left for you to buy. But if I'm to advise, or one who has been into stock and how I was mentored and coached and taught, you are advised to get stocks that deals with maybe production, food, energy, and energy networks, communications, and so on. Those kinds of stocks are stocks that do well. Now, as you are buying or coming to trade stock, you should also know that you are coming for the purpose of making profit. Now, your profit making is in two ways. It's either you buy and take profit, or you buy and then make earn from dividends. By taking profit, I mean that you might buy 50 units of shares. Let's say, for instance, let's use one of the shares here. We have Boa Food. So you are buying Boa Food now. Let's say 50 units. And the current price is 629 naira. So let's assume you are buying this Boa Food now for 629 naira for 50 units. Then the price increase from 629 naira to 1,000. Once it increases like this, if you want to take profit, you have to sell a portion or a part of that 50 shares you have bought. Let's say maybe you are selling you bought 50, you are selling like 20. So that you take profit, it will be that, okay, you've made money from the shares you bought. Now, that's one part. The second part, which is the dividend part, is to wait. If this stock, this Boa Food that I see here, is a dividend paying stock, then you wait yearly, or maybe some stocks pay once a year, pays dividends once a year, some pays twice a year, and so on. So, but of course, Boa Food is a dividend paying stock or shares. So once you get it, if you want to be earning from dividends, you wait. Some pay maybe 30 naira, 10 naira, 20 naira per one unit of stock or shares that you have with them. Some, I think, 15 naira and so on. So the price is differs. So that's how it is. If you are waiting to take dividends, then you wait. Whether your money, the price here is skyrocket to 1,000, 2,000, you still leave it and just be earning from dividends. Now you should also know it or have it at the back of your mind that same way this stock skyrocket to 1,000, it can as well depreciate, it can go down. So it's not a kind of get rich quick scheme or something that you come and you expect it to blow on. No, although there was a time I bought MTN, I think at the rate of, was it 10 naira or so, and then it rose to 35 naira, be 45 naira thereabout. I can't really remember. That was last year or last 2 years. So that's that, how you can earn. Now for those that are newbies, now let's say for instance you want to buy this boa food, you have to click on boa foods. Once you click, it will load up. Let it load. It's okay. Now this is the price you are seeing. You are also seeing buy beneath here. You are seeing buy here. Now let's say for instance you put your urgent 2k or however amount you have and you want to buy. The next thing is to click on the buy. Now once you click on the buy, you are seeing the price, you will see the portfolio, you see limit order, goods for 3 days, and so on and so forth. Now this is one of the most important aspect of buying. If you want to buy, you see order type, you are seeing limit order. I don't know if you guys are following me with what I'm explaining. You are seeing, let me show you. You see limit order. This is very important to take note. Now the goods is at 629 naira 70 kobo. The stock, sorry, is at 629 naira 70 kobo. Now there's a limit order. If you want to buy using limit order, now limit order means you are setting a particular limit or amount that you want to buy these boa foods with. Let's say you want to buy at 500 naira, then you can use limit order. Otherwise, if you are buying immediately, you click on this limit order and you change it to market order. You are seeing market order. Once you click on it, you can change. You see market order, other types. You see market order. You are seeing limit order. So if I'm going for goods for the market now, I'll just click on this market order you are seeing, the first one. I'll click on it immediately, meaning now it is written market order. You can see from here. It means that I'm buying for this price, this 629 naira that you are seeing at the moment. That's what I'm buying with. Now also we have a limit period. You have goods for 3 days and so on and so forth. Now if you click on this place, this goods for 3 days, now it also means that okay, it's the goods for, maybe you are waiting in 3 days time. That is when you want to buy. You put your money there and say, okay, for in 3 days time, that's when I want to buy. In 7 days time, I want to buy, and so on and so on. Now for me, once I have my money I want to buy, I'll just come to goods for the day that you are seeing. You see this goods, good for the day, the first one. That's why I'll just click and then I buy my shares. That's how I do. Then you can see number of shares. Number of shares here, you will impute. Then they will cost it for you. Now a price is 629 naira. How many shares do you want to buy? Let me type, let's say 50. You can see they have given me the estimate, the cost, which is 31,485 naira. So my available money here now, what is in this account, this thing now, AfriVenture, you can see it's not up to, you are only seeing 160 naira here. Where is it? Okay, you are seeing available to trade 160, meaning that I don't have fund in this account. So if I want to buy, I'll need to top up. You can see it here. They say top up. I'll need to add money to this to match the equivalent of this 31,000 something. I'll need to top up money. even more, let's say 32,000 naira or so, or 33,000, because of some security charges and so on. So that's the only time I can be able to buy. So that's how the stuff works, the buying of the shares work. So that's how it works. And before I forget, please, if you love what you are seeing, if you love the video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and also turn on your bell notification button, so that once I make another amazing video just like the one you are watching now, you'll get notification. You'll be the first to get notified. So if you love the channel, if you love the video, give me a subscription. Just click to subscribe to the channel to help me to boost, to grow on my videos. So now, quick one before we round up with the video. This is one of the secrets that most persons don't know, and it is very pertinent you listen to it and note it down. Now, once you click on your shares now, or the stock you want to buy, like we are on Boa Food for example. Now we are using it to show or do example to us. Now, once you click on the particular stock, like we've clicked on Boa, you scroll down, you screw your phone down, you come down to this overview, this market start. I believe you can see it. You see this market start, this traded value, volume traded, this value traded. You see it. It is very important to note and to know how much this company has, this volume traded and this value traded. You to note the amount that that company has or is trading with, or have at the moment with them to trade. Now, for those professional advice, it is advised that if you want to buy stock or shares with a company, you should check this place, this value traded, and the company should have about not less than or so 2 million here. As you can see here, you are seeing 12 million 33,394 naira. That's the value traded for Boa. So the company should have not less than 2 million before you invest your money. The essence is so that your money won't get liquidated. When you put money, the company will go into extinction, it will fold up, and then you start crying and say, oh, stock, people talk about stock, this, that. It is because you are naive, you don't really know. So once you are buying, just try to check all of those things. Just click on this thing, come down, and then you buy. And I already advise us from the beginning of the video, if you want to buy stocks with production companies like food, energy, and so on. Transmission, like power sector, that which other one, like Dangote cement, them their production stocks, communications like MTN, Airtel, and so on and so forth. So those are good stocks to buy. Those stocks are stocks that pay dividends. And if you want me to make a video and show you stocks that pay you dividends, some stocks pay dividends maybe twice or thrice a year. If you need stocks like that, I can show you. I can make a video too and show you stocks that you buy that will pay you twice or so in a year. That's for those that will love dividends stocks. So that's that for the video. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification button for more videos like this. Thank you and remain blessed.